Kasama ko po, best player ng ating laro, the Teniente LA Tenorio, scoring 21 points, 6 rebounds, and 6 assists. In a big game like this, LA, ang sabi, the little things would matter. And you did so much of the little things. And sorry for the adjective, you, Eman Monfort, Kim G1, di ba? Yan yung mga nagdala.
Oo nga first of all, we would like to thank the Lord kasi binigyan talaga kami ng chance on this game. Hindi namin na-expect talaga, to be honest, going to this game, parang yung namin, yung pakiramdam namin, parang talagang this is our last game already. But God gave us the second chance, so good thing we grabbed the opportunity and we repay the Lord kung ano yung binigay sa amin na opportunity. Well, katulad nga na sinabi mo, yun nga, nag-step up talaga yung mga lahat actually going to this game. Siguro inisip lang namin talaga na nung nagkaroon kami ng chance, pagpasok namin ng court talagang on fire, parang may fire talaga sa lahat ng mga mata ng mga players. Although yun nga, parang we started flat pero nakuha rin namin towards the end.
Ang sabi nga nila, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa, ginawa niyo yung kaya niyong gawin. Now, what would be your prayer? You're facing Alaska Aces.
Kailangan namin tawagin lahat ng mga santo yan playing. But well, now we have a chance to play in the playoffs. So it's back to zero. It's just a matter of nauna lang sila ng isang game. Yun lang yung mentality namin. We play another do or die game. So siguro doon naman talaga magaling ang Hinebre. Diba? So never say die nga eh. So yun nga yung namin kailangan namin paghandaan yung Alaska. They're playing very well. That's why they're the #1 team. So we'll see what's gonna happen.
Also showing up in this game is the 6th man, itong fans ninyo, and you must want to thank them and invite them to support you come Friday.
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, especially lahat ng mga kabarangay. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta nyo. Dasal nyo. Alam namin na grabe kayo nagdasal for Kia to win. So, naririnig ka namin, nag-cheer din kayo sa Kia. So, maraming salamat and hope to see you on the first game ng playoff. So, maraming salamat.
Mga babatiin?
Oo, binabati ko lahat ng mga taga Batangas at taga Nasugbu, Batangas. Nandito yung iba, yung pinsan ko nandito. So, and yun, lahat, yung mga baby ko, Santi and Sian sa bahay, hello. Ayun. So, yung wife ko nanonood. So, thank you and see you all in the games. Thank you.
Congratulations, LA.